let's start off with that first email question of the night. This one is from David. My dad was in a wreck in June of 2019. Since then, his insurance adjuster has been in regular contact with him, and some of his bills have been paid, but some have not. Now the adjuster has stopped returning his calls. How can I convince him that this is suspicious and he should talk to a lawyer?
David, that's a great question. This is going on for a year and a half now, and your dad still doesn't have a resolution to his case. Insurance adjusters are trained to do this. They will try to play nice. And as Larry Perry likes to say, they sell you on the big print and pay out on the small print, and that's exactly what they do. They try to make sure that you're okay, that you're not going to seek an attorney, and do exactly what they tell you to do until maybe your injuries are more than what they figured they were going to be originally, or this case is getting out of hand and it's a lot more complex and involved than what they originally thought. An insurance adjuster, well, you know, they're looking out for themselves. They're not looking out for the insured. They're not looking out for your father, David. They're looking out for themselves and their company. Their company's in the business to retain their earnings, not to pay out on claims. So how do you talk to your dad to convince him to get an attorney? Well, simply put, he needs a lawyer right now. The insurance company's not going to be working in his best interest. They only work in their best interest. And actually, they have attorneys on call 24/7, all day, all week long, representing their best interest. And their best interest is looking out for their bottom line. Does your dad need an attorney? Absolutely. He could come to someone like our firm, and we would be able to talk to him free of charge and prosecute his case. And if we do not collect, we work on a contingency fee basis, and he does not owe us a dime if we don't do anything for him. However, hopefully there's something that we can do for him because he does have insurance, and maybe the other party has insurance as well, and maybe he even has uninsured motorists. So there's a lot of different levels of insurance to look at to help him out. But does your dad need an attorney? Absolutely.
Great question to start us off tonight, David.